Hi everyone, I am Junaid Khalid welcoming you on this YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use latex in MS Word. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is a blank MS Word document and in this video I'll show you how to use latex in MS Word. I'm not going to show you all the equations but only just 3 equations, and if you want to learn more you can watch my video on this channel on how to write mathematical equations in latex using overleaf. So first I am going to tell you about area of circle. So first you have to go to the insert menu and click on the equation. Now first latex from equation, and I am going to write equation A equals to fraction braces, let's write 1 2 pi r square and enter, and you have to select latex here and press enter, and it will change into professional mode and convert into professional mode. And let's write for limit. Again go to insert and select equation and make sure it will be latex, and now write limit underscore braces x to infinity and f of x. Now from here convert into professional mode. So here it is the equation, and you can also convert into linear mode, and you can change infinity with, let's change it with 10 0, and now convert here into professional mode. So here it is. In this way you can write equation in latex. Now for sum, again go to equation and select sum underscore braces n equals to 1 power, and write 5 and 2 power, let's suppose -1 equals to 100 and press enter. Here it is. So in this way you can write equations of latex in MS Word, or you can use latex in MS Word, but I prefer you to use latex on overleaf because of the outlook. Because in overleaf when you are writing the equations or when you are creating a document, the outlook was most impressive than MS Word. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.